everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my little travel bag. I actually got this bag from Amazon. Of course, I'll link it down below. But I love it. It's clear and it's just the right size to throw in my suitcase. Of course, I'm a mom, and when I travel, I always forget something. So I would always used to write a list saying I need a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, all the necessities that I need. And of course, I would forget stuff. And I was like, you know what? Let me just buy duplicates of what I use at home, of course, that are used when I travel. So I bought a bunch of stuff in here that I use, but some stuff I have to take out, of course, if I actually use on a carry-on, because you need a quart size bag with a certain amount of liquids. So let's get into it, what I have in my bag. Alright, so I'm not going to order anything. I'm just literally grabbing randomness from this bag. So the first item that I'm going to talk about, of course, is another little container that came with this package deal. Of course, I put hair ties, a hair band, bobby pins, and a clip in here just because if I'm doing my makeup or taking my makeup off, I like to have my hair on my face. So this is what I got in here. And of course, tampons. This lady needs some tampons. I love to floss my teeth, so I just went ahead and got a bag of flossers. Of course, if I'm going with family or friends, they can use this as well. I got some Q-tips, of course, if I need to clean my ears or take makeup off or do whatever with that, I have that as well. I have deodorant. You need some deodorant. I got moisturizer. And of course, I got shaving cream and a shaver. I got the waterless Venus shaver. I thought the gel stuff or whatever you want to call it in here will work. I don't prefer it. So of course, I got a shaver as well with it. Shaving cream. Alright, and I also got this travel size Dermalogica pre-cleanser. And of course, this helps take off my makeup. It's an oil-based consistency and I like this. And of course, I got tissues. You never know when you need tissues. I got my toothbrush, and I got toothpaste. You're going to use dry hair shampoo. Got some dry hair shampoo. I also got some hairspray. I got two different face cleansers, so of course they're travel size. And I got this, of course, since I probably spent so much money at Ulta, they gave me stuff for free. Next, I got this Pond's cream to remove makeup. Next, of course, I got a scrub to use for my face if I need to ever use it. And of course, I got travel size shampoo and conditioner. And I got some mouthwash. And then also, of course, got a bigger clip. And then, of course, since I spent so much money at Ulta, they gave me stuff in a little travel size package deal as well. And I got cleansing tissues and also got a makeup eraser if I need to use this. Then also I got another small clip, another container of floss. I got this cleansing water. I like using this to take off my mascara and the excess of makeup that I have. And then of course I got some body wash and then some sunscreen. Alright, and I saved the best for last. This is the recommended size bag that you're supposed to use for a plane when you do carry-on. Of course, this is TSS approved because I went to Canada and they took some of my liquids, so they gave me a little bag of what I can only bring on there. So of course now when I travel on a plane, I get whatever liquids I can fit in here to put it into my travel size bag, of course, along with my hairbrush and all the necessities that I need that are not liquids. So I can just grab this and go, and of course, this is the approved size. So I always just keep this in my bag, just of course, when I travel on a plane, I can just throw what I need in here and of course, leave everything else at home. So hopefully this will help y'all on a travel size bag because it's so good just to grab a bag and go out the door so you have all the stuff you need in there. Until next time, bye guys.